How's it, everyone? Happy Monday. It is June 16th. I've got your forecast outlook ready to roll for the upcoming next few days. So let's get into it, starting with a live look out at Folly at the moment. Guys, pretty much what you see here is what we're going to be working with for the week. Our summertime pattern is pretty much locked in. That's going to mean southerly, southwesterly winds, as well as some small, steeply angled southerly wind swell with a little bit of southeasterly longer period swell layered in underneath. If you're going to surf on your Monday, I would get out there now before the winds get too hard on it this afternoon. It looks kind of fun. So tomorrow, Tuesday, again, small southerly short period wind swell, 2.5 feet at 6 seconds with around 2 feet at 8 seconds of southeasterly swell lying underneath. Strong winds, 10 to 20 miles an hour out of the southwest all day. By the end of the day on Wednesday, that southerly short period wind swell is going to be up to about 3.5 feet at 5 seconds, and winds could potentially be a little bit softer by the end of the day on Wednesday, only 10 to 15 miles an hour straight onshore. So Wednesday, later in the day, I would keep an eye on. Thursday, again, pretty much same story, guys. 3.5 feet at 5 seconds of southerly wind swell with 1.2 feet at 9 seconds of east-southeast swell underneath. Winds are going to be south-southwest, cross onshore, pretty much 10 to 20 miles an hour all throughout the day on Thursday. Friday morning, we've got some potential for winds to come a little bit more out of the west. So, although swell is going to be down in size a little bit, we've only got around 2 to 2.5 feet at 5 seconds of that southerly wind swell and a foot of the southeasterly swell. Conditions could be more favorable Friday and Saturday morning. And so, albeit a little less swell in the water, if local conditions and winds cooperate, could be super fun, again, Friday and Saturday morning. Winds are supposed to be very light all the way throughout around 1, 2 o'clock on Saturday. So that is definitely a time to keep your eye on as well. By Sunday morning, we're up at 1.5 feet at 8 seconds of that east-southeast swell. Pretty much that small southerly wind swell has dissipated fully by that point. But again, winds are supposed to be lighter Sunday morning, so another time frame to keep an eye on there. Guys, hopefully everyone had a wonderful Father's Day yesterday. Thanks everyone for coming out to the contest this past Saturday. It was a wonderful time. It is hurricane season, so pray for waves, and we'll keep you updated. Everyone have a wonderful week. You.